Hey guys, Aaron Marker with Critical Response Training. And today's Tuesday, so I'm going to put out my Tuesday training tip. Every Tuesday I'm going to try to put out just a little tip to maybe help make you better protectors of yourselves and the ones you love. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about your cover garments. So the clothes that you wear every day as a concealed carry holder. There's no doubt that having a smooth, fast, and efficient draw is a skill that every concealed carry holder should have or be working towards, or at least be trying to get better at. And so nothing's going to impact your ability to access and draw your firearm more than your clothes are. And so every day we kind of dress a little bit differently. And so we really should know exactly how that cover garment's going to affect our ability to draw the gun. So each day, like today, I'm wearing a fairly loose t-shirt. It's got a lot of stretch and give in it, so defeating my cover garment and getting it high and up and out of the way is really no problem whatsoever. However, some clothes are much more restrictive than that. And if you're wearing more professional clothes or a button-down shirt, you don't have quite as good ability. So my tip for today is no matter how you're dressed, make sure you're getting at least 5 solid draw strokes in before you leave your house. Now that being said, we want to make sure that the gun is unloaded. We want to do all of our proper safety checks, make sure the gun's always pointed in a safe direction. But before you leave the house in the morning, get those kind of 5, maybe even 10's better, but at least those 5 just quick, efficient draw strokes, making sure that you're able to defeat your cover garment, getting it high and up and out of the way, and it's not impeding your ability to draw and present your firearm. God forbid you should actually need it today. But that's your training tip for today. Stay safe out there.